Now it's time to consider investing in these high growth gems. The search for game changing stocks to buy is on for long term growth investors. Eli Lilly. The pharmaceutical giant is thriving with its suite of weight loss drugs taking off. Meta Platforms. It retains a pole position in the social media sector, benefiting from long term trends that have plenty of runway. Joby Aviation. For those bullish on the rise of flying cars or air taxis, this could be a speculative bet worth making. Let's dive in. Retire rich. Here are the three game changing stocks to own for the next 10 years. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Stock market investing offers wealth building opportunities for those with a long term investing time horizon. However, high rewards entail high risks, especially for those seeking quick gains. Aggressive tactics may lead to significant losses. The best approach may be having a longer term time outlook with most holdings. This strategy can maximize potential upside and minimize risk over time. Building a sizable portfolio is one matter, but building one's growth holdings carefully and in sectors with continued momentum long term is the key. The three stocks on this list are ones I'd put in the safer yet higher growth category. Let's dive into specifics of these stocks that are worth considering for the next 10 years and catalysts that could take them higher. Number 1, Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly is best known for its suite of weight loss drugs and its pipeline in this space. However, the company's recently announced positive results from phase 3 trials of insulin Esatora Alpha, Esatora, for type 2 diabetes is another key catalyst to watch. Esatora demonstrated non-inferior A1C reduction to daily basal insulins, offering weekly blood sugar control and reduced treatment burden. Notably, a number of high-profile medical experts have highlighted its potential for improved adherence. Huawei and T2 compared safety and efficacy of weekly Esatora versus daily insulin deglutic over 52 weeks in insulin-naive type 2 diabetes patients. Esatora proved non-inferior in A1C reduction, with participants spending more time in target glucose range without additional hypoglycemia. Thus, the pharmaceutical company marches toward dividend aristocrat status, boasting 10 consecutive dividend hikes and a 27% forward payout ratio. Eli Lilly is seeing revenue growth continue acceleration post-pandemic. Furthermore, weight loss drugs Zepbound's robust sales is leading the charge in this regard. For those bullish on the weight loss category and looking for a biotechnology giant to buy and hold long-term, Eli Lilly is the top pick. Number 2, Meta Platforms. Last year certainly provided a wild ride for investors in tech company Meta Platforms. The stock trended mostly higher, and it continues to trade near all-time highs as we approach the midpoint of 2024. Much of this is due to the company's focus on increasing its efficiency, while investing heavily into the artificial intelligence trend. Also, Meta Platforms achieved $1 trillion market cap in January. This pinnacle elevated the stock to be a core portfolio holding of many passive index fund holders. During the company's recent earnings call, Meta Platforms outlined plans of massive investment in its long-term AI vision. The move will pivot the company among the AI leaders. Also, it's one in which growth investors continue to flock. Meta Platforms looks to utilize generative AI to enhance its social media offerings, a key move following its rebranding. The generative AI called Llama powers various applications. Concurrently, Meta Platforms focuses on engaging developers to expand AI tools, expecting increased engagement and monetization. Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg's forward thinking led Meta Platforms to trillion-dollar status within 2 decades. Yet investor skepticism looms over the company's metaverse endeavors. Reality Labs' $2 billion revenue in 12 months doesn't offset Meta's consistent massive losses. Zuckerberg aims for 1 billion metaverse users, but faces challenges. Nevertheless, Meta Platforms stock remains one of the best long-term picks in the tech sector. Number 3, Joby Aviation. Electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL producer Joby Aviation is another more speculative name many investors are watching closely. The company's air taxi offerings could present the future of transportation. And while momentum has died down in this space, there are some notable developments as investors await final Federal Aviation Administration approval. Recently, Joby Aviation completed its pre-prod prototype for a flight test program, a significant milestone for electric air taxi development. The company is now advancing to the next phase of flight testing with its production prototype aircraft. Joby's pre-production aircraft logged over 1,000 500 flights, covering 33,000 miles. This includes landmark flights in New York City. In 2021, the company achieved a 154.6-mile flight on a single charge featuring eVTOL. Then, in 2022, it partnered with NASA for its quiet and acoustic feature in its aircraft. Last year, Joby Aviation shocked the market as it announced an expansion of flight programs, including piloted flights. Additionally, it trained 4 U.S. Air Force pilots to operate eVTOL aircraft. For those bullish on the future of the flying car space, this is a top stock to keep on the radar right now. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.